Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will help you or show you how exactly to solve the problem of your Facebook account being restricted from advertising and you are not able to run ad campaigns. So as you can see on the screen, it says you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise. And there are several reasons why this happens. One, you probably might have violated the advertising policies. Two, you may be using a fake name. Three, it could be by mistake. These are some of the reasons why your Facebook advertising account may be restricted. Now, if you want to reinstate it, what you normally have to do is, first of all, go to facebook.com and log in on a computer. After you log in, you click on the ad manager, then it will take you to the ad manager. So I'm inside the ad manager now. Let me just refresh it. You see the correct information. So I'm inside the ad manager. If the account is restricted, you will see, just like what you're seeing on this screen, it says that Facebook account is restricted from advertising, and you cannot, if you go further, it will give you more details about it and all that. You will see request review here. If you click on the request review, it will take you to the Meta Business Support Home. Now, when you come to the Business Support Home or the Facebook Business Support Home, you can request a review. So that is what I'm now going to do. Before you will appeal, you have to make certain changes. One of the changes you have to make is to make sure that you change the name on the account to match with your real name. So for example, the first and last name. If the first and last name is not matching, you have to come to your settings, go to your settings, go to settings again, go to personal details. From the personal details, you now click on your profile name, your profile, and then you go to the name. When you go to the name, check to make sure that your first and last name is matching with the correct info. What do you call it? Well, it is matching with your correct name, same as what is on your official documentation ID. So what do I mean? You can use your national ID card, you can use your voter ID, you can use your passport, you can use driving license to verify your identity. So make sure that the name on your Facebook is matching with the name that is on any of your other documents. Then after that, if it is not matching, you make the change and save it. After that, you also come and check go back to the personal details and check the birthday. If the birthday is not matching, you also make sure that it matches and then you save it. Okay. So after you are done with that, then you now come to you now come back to the Facebook Business Support Home. Okay. And then you click on request review. Then you click on get started. Then they will say, help us confirm it is you. Then you click on I am not a robot. There's one last thing I forgot. Also check the gender. Okay. The gender. So can go back to facebook.com. Then you click on your name. You go to your about section. Then you go to contact and basic info. Then you look at your gender. Make sure the gender is also the same and correct. So you now click continue. So you'll be asked to put your phone number there. So you put your phone number. Then they will send a code to that phone number. So after you put a code, you click on continue. They will also ask of the email. So you go to your account and then the email on it, copy it, and then paste it as well. Then you click on send me code. Okay, so they will send a code to. So you put a code and click on next. Then you will now be asked to upload your ID card. Before you upload the ID, I'm going to write a letter because normally after submitting the ID, they will ask us to explain why. So let me just click on upload, and then click continue. Then continue again. They will ask of the reason why you are requesting the review. Click on another reason, and then you post. So this is what I said. I said, dear Facebook, my Facebook account has been restricted and I'm told I'm not allowed to advertise because I have violated your policies. And I've taken time to go through your policies in detail as stipulated in, and I included the link to their policies, and I've made them understand that I'm sure I haven't violated their policies after going through all their policies. And I know this may be a mistake. They should please reinstate my account for me. And you click on send. Then to tell you that review requested, to tell you that we're reviewing your account to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising, and we'll notify you within 48 hours from when you requested the review. You can also track the status of the review in support inbox. So within 48 hours, your account will be reinstated if you actually didn't violate any policy. If you also want to know the policies and what you have probably might have violated, you can click on this particular blue link. It will take you to the advertising policies. You can read all of them to make sure that you are in line with the policies. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. If you also follow it and you don't get a solution, leave your comments in the comment section, or you can follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us, and then we'll help you. We also have a Telegram link. When you message us, we will respond to you and help you, and we charge to do that. But when you contact us, you'll get a solution. Bye-bye, and see you in the next video.